So this is just a basic video to show you how to operate and open and close the K38 handpiece, which is this handpiece, otherwise known as the SH300 handpiece. They do alter in style over the years, and recently they've taken these air vents out after putting them in, but generally, overall, they are the same handpiece. All the operations inside the same. So obviously it's going to be a very simple video, so excuse me if I'm stating the obvious, apologise. Obviously this is the handpiece wire, which is being tied up with a cable tie, so you undo that. It's 1.5 metre length is that when it's undone. This is the K38. You've got the control dial for the speed, minimum to maximum. On this side you've got a power button. On this side you've got two buttons. That's your foot pedal button, and that's your forward and reverse button. On the front, so there's only three buttons on the actual unit. On the front you've got your display, which displays your speed. You've got your battery indicator, the port for your motor, which is your handpiece, in other words. So what's in there. On the back there's nothing. This is your port for power, to put your charger in there, and this is for your foot pedal. This here, this little piece of sort of rubber is, you take that out and you can actually have a handpiece holder inserted in there, so your handpiece clips into the side like that. That's an optional extra on some of the drills. So let's turn it on. You see that. So as you turn the dial, the speed will go up. See it changing 2, 3, it'll go up to 30. The light's very good on there actually. Be too bright probably. And then to engage the, if you want it to work with the foot pedal, so your battery indicator's there, and if you want it to work, there's some lights next to it. So if you want it to work with the foot pedal, you press the foot pedal button. The foot pedal light will start flashing. You'll plug your foot pedal in at the bottom, and the drill will only work when the foot pedal is pressed down. So obviously your handpiece will be plugged in at this point, and the drill will only operate when the handpiece is pressed down. So if you notice at the moment the drill isn't spinning, and that's because you've got the handpiece button, the foot pedal button on and the light on. So as soon as we turn that off, it kicks into action. You can hear it there. The other button on the side is reverse button, and this operates the light as well. So when it's in reverse, which is anti-clockwise, I'll just turn it off actually, so you can take that out so you can see it. The reverse light is on, which means it's running anti-clockwise. When you press it off, the reverse light goes off, it's running in clockwise. This battery indicator will go down, so the fully charged is 2 green and orange. It'll go down to 1 green and orange, then it'll just go down to an orange, which means it's battery low, and eventually it'll turn itself off, which means the battery's run out, then you need to charge it. Onto the handpiece. So there's 3 sections. There's a nose cone here, a middle section which is like the unlocking and locking of the actual burr at the end, and the motor. So the motor's in here. And if you untwist this, the motor's in here. These are the brushes for the motor, and you can change the wire dead easy on these. You actually just pull that out. It's like a 2-pin plug, and it goes into the 2 holes there. You shouldn't really need to mess with this. It's good to get this undone though, this actual cap, and get in spray to get a bit of compressed air through there to get any debris out. And if you ever want to change your brushes, if the motors are starting to make a noise or wearing, these 2 screws can do that. But that's for another video, is that. That screws back on. So that's the motor. This is the middle section, which is the important bit that you're after, which is to unlock the end. You simply twist it, burr pulls out, the burr in, and twist to lock, so it's solid in there. Now this is actually a dummy burr, so a lot of people get this and they go, where's the burr going? But you just need to take that out, and take that out, and you can actually put your other burr in, which I'll get another burr now. I've got a diamond burr here. It's like a bud shape. Twist to lock. Oh, sorry. Twist to lock, and that's in pretty tight. Obviously it'll go in further than that. And then you're good to go. So when you plug it in, turn your drill on, and now it's running. And the nose cone at the end, it just protects all the spindle inside. There is another video we've got on how to clean all this inside, which if you just look on the channel, it's there somewhere. It's K38 handpiece cleaning. So yeah, again, twist, open, take the burr out. You can clean inside there. Put the burr in, and twist in the opposite direction that you just twisted. Torque it in, and it's in. That's it. Always good to try and keep some sort of burr in there, keep the dummy burr in so nothing gets down there when you're storing it or moving it from one place to another. I hope that helps.